Alright guys, so this is the refrigerator that we're replacing. We've had it for 9 years. And it lasted for a long time, but unfortunately it just went dead on us. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it with the new one. Diamond Gang, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing another review. Today's review is going to be on the NewAir Beverage fridge. Alright y'all, so the temperature setting, you put it on 7, which is the coldest setting, and you put it on 1 for the warmest setting. Alright guys, so this is the refrigerator. It is now put together and turned on, and it is stocked up. Now, one thing about this refrigerator, it is called the NewAir refrigerator, and it holds up to 126 cans or any type of beverages. Now, of course, if you're using like water bottles, which is a little bit bigger, so of course it will be a little less. It also gets down to 34 degrees Celsius. And it does have the, let me get closer so you can see. It does have the settings up here. And as you see, I have it on about like 4.5. It was on 5 when we first plugged it up and turned it on, but then we had changed it because we noticed that it was like freezing up a little bit, but it wasn't bad. It was just like it was freezing everything at the top. As you see, we had the cans at the top. It was freezing those, so we turned it down to about like 4. We didn't fill it all the way up, but I'm pretty sure that we can fill it up with more cans than that. As you see, we have extra space. The shelves are adjustable. I did take out 2 shelves, so we'll be able to fit like bigger bottles and stuff in it. So that's a plus about this. And the favorite part about this refrigerator, let me open it up, is that it has a light in it. It has a little button here where you can just push to turn it off. You can turn it on however you like it. I keep it on usually. The coldness doesn't affect it, so I'm pretty sure it was set that way to where it doesn't mess it up or anything like that. I love that you can see straight through it. I love the glass door. Let me turn the light back on. I love the fact that you can see straight through it. It is a glass door. Then we have the silver polished handles. As you see, my son been touching on it already. It has the stainless steel handle on it, and it also has a locking key here at the bottom. I love that part too. So if you're storing like some of your favorite beverages, wine, beer, such and such, and you don't want the kids to get in it, just go ahead and lock it up here at the bottom. And yeah, that's pretty much it. In this video, I'm going to show you the height, which is going to be up in the corner. It's a picture of how tall it is and how wide it is. And I'm loving it so far. So hopefully it lasts for a long time. There is a 1-year warranty on the refrigerator and a 30-day money guaranteed money back if anything goes wrong with it. So that's also a plus. And I'm sure if you go in and sign up for the NewAir account, I'm pretty sure they have it on there to where if you want to extend the warranty for just longer than a year, you can do that as well. But I love this new fridge. Like, it's all that and some. And the pricing, I did purchase this from Walmart, and I think the refrigerator itself was $279.99. I will leave the link to that in the description box if you're interested to want to look at this refrigerator. And other than that, that's pretty much it, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and make sure you go follow all my social medias and head over to go check out Simply Trice Savage Trends.Big Cartel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.